Hello, this is Josh Golly at Green Scene Home Inspections. Doing an inspection on a house. When I got here, an HVAC technician was here. He, after he was done, he said everything was okay. I asked him if everything was installed good, and he said yeah. So I come up in the attic here, and this flue right here is the flue for the gas furnace. Let's see if I can get you over there. There is the termination right there. You can see the hole, and there's quite a bit of water coming in from that area. But if we continue on at our flue there, you can kind of see where it's going. As we get further in the attic, you can see it's just separated right there in the attic. So folks, this is why we need a licensed specialist to go overlook these things, because this is what can happen, and this is exactly why we still want to get a home inspection, because this is what we will catch, especially here at Green Scene Home Inspections. Thanks. Have a great day.